Swiss watch precision begins with the purest materials.
Only flawless purity defines Swiss watch quality. Strength is engineered into Swiss watch components. Precision casting shapes Swiss watch foundations. Controlled cooling stabilizes Swiss watch metals. Each piece prepares for Swiss watch precision. Swiss watch creation begins. Where precision meets perfection. Clean environments define Swiss watch quality. Purity ensures perfection. Every detail matters. Precision begins here.
Complexity defines Swiss watch design.
Energy is stored in every Swiss watch.
Order drives precision.
Inside, Swiss watch craftsmanship begins in silence and focus.
Every Swiss watch starts with a perfectly prepared station.
The foundation of a Swiss watch is set with precision.
The first movement begins within the Swiss watch.
Alignment defines Swiss watch accuracy.
Complex motion builds inside every Swiss watch.
Structure locks Swiss watch mechanics in place.
Every screw secures Swiss watch perfection. Swiss watch parts are purified at a microscopic level.
Even the smallest impurity is removed from Swiss watch components.
Controlled drying protects Swiss watch precision. Every surface must remain flawless.
Human eyes ensure Swiss watch perfection. Only excellence continues forward.
Order drives Swiss watch assembly forward. Now the Swiss watch enters its core engineering stage.
The heart of the Swiss watch begins to move. Precision timing starts with the escapement in a Swiss watch.
The rhythm of a Swiss watch is born here.
Energy flows through every Swiss watch mechanism.
The first life begins inside the Swiss watch. Lubrication ensures smooth Swiss watch performance.
Stability defines Swiss watch reliability.
Now the Swiss watch movement meets its outer form.
The Swiss watch receives its protective body.
Engineering meets craftsmanship in every Swiss watch.
Perfect alignment defines Swiss watch accuracy. The face of the Swiss watch takes shape.
Time becomes visible in the Swiss watch. Clarity protects the Swiss watch face.
Durability is locked into every Swiss watch.
The Swiss watch is now complete, but not yet proven.
Technology examines every detail of the Swiss watch. Every surface of the Swiss watch is measured with precision.
Accuracy defines the soul of a Swiss watch.
The Swiss watch must perform in every position.
Resilience protects the Swiss watch from unseen forces. Strength ensures the Swiss watch survives daily life.
Sealing keeps the Swiss watch protected underwater.
Only the finest Swiss watches move forward. The Swiss watch is refined to perfection.
Every edge of the Swiss watch is precisely finished.
The Swiss watch becomes wearable.
Security meets elegance in the Swiss watch. Every Swiss watch shines without flaw.
Identity defines every Swiss watch.
The Swiss watch is now ready for approval.
Final verification awaits the Swiss watch.
Final judgment begins for the Swiss watch.
Nothing escapes the eye of Swiss watch inspection.
Every second must be perfect in a Swiss watch.
The Swiss watch must endure changing conditions.
Consistency proves the Swiss watch's reliability.
Only the finest Swiss watches earn approval.
Each Swiss watch carries its mark of excellence.
The Swiss watch is ready for its final journey.
The Swiss watch is presented with elegance.
Protection completes the Swiss watch presentation. Swiss watch products move toward global distribution.
Every Swiss watch is secured for safe travel.
Swiss watches await their journey to the world.
The Swiss watch begins its global journey.
And this is how modern factories produce Swiss watches from start to finish.
Precision, craftsmanship, and time perfected.